is nothing like doing push-ups on a suspension trainer. The instability, the ability to move your arms and hands wherever you like, to do advanced variations, nothing can beat it. Now, in an ideal world, you'll be doing your push-ups off of a dual anchor point system, like my grind straps, gymnastics rings, something where your anchor points are about shoulder width apart or maybe even a little bit wider. But the big question is, what do you do if you're having an anchor point that is either narrow or a single anchor point solution like what you see on the TRX? How would you do push-ups? You have a couple of things to worry about because one, if you keep your arms in tight to your side, you're rubbing and you're chafing against your arms, which can be very uncomfortable. Or if you have it up here, now it's more like just a skull crusher. It's not really getting much in your chest. And if you try and do this kind of haphazard deal, you're still rubbing against your arms like crazy. And if you lift your hands up, now it's almost more like a rotator cuff motion. None of these are viable options. Here's the solution. So what you want to do is start at the top with your hands flat and the straps over on the top of your shoulders, not too high by your ears, just lightly touching over on top. As you come down, rotate your hands down, elbows to the side, and the straps will roll around your shoulders. This ensures a very stable, safe position for your shoulders, maximum tension in your chest as well as your triceps. As you press on up, you go right on over to the top of your shoulders again. So you have this very smooth, you still have tension in all the muscles. You may still have contact with the suspension trainer, but it's not rubbing or chafing in an uncomfortable way so as to impede your workout. Check out down below for a suspension trainer push-up chest workout that I left in the description for you. If you want to learn more about my grind straps and how to make them, these videos will point you in the right direction. And as always, if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss a weekly episode. Till then, be fit, live free.